So in a lovely study recently published, they interviewed 24 patients that are receiving cannabis prescriptions, whether it be flower that is vaporized or THC containing tinctures. All of those patients reported some degree of improvement in their symptoms and overall quality of life, and many of them were able to reduce the reliance on conventional medicines and medications that they were taking, which is a trend we see quite commonly across the world in different areas of research with regards to cannabis and reducing down prescription reliance. Fortunately, most people who are in the UK that could benefit from these prescriptions and these medicines do not currently access one. That's either due to stigma, or they're feeling uncomfortable, or they're not even aware that this is an option. And finally, as well, there is a significant financial burden that can potentially come with these, depending on how much cannabinoid content you actually require for your symptoms and manage your condition. Now, a large reason for this hesitance around medical cannabis is primarily due to the stigmatization that still exists around crude cannabis consumption and cannabis flowers as a therapeutic. There is a long history of prohibition and very strict prosecution when it comes to cannabis as well. And so there is a lot of hesitancy, but also a lot of stigma that is still directed towards patients who do have legitimate cannabis prescriptions and legitimate medical needs. And so this creates a bit of a conflict and a lot of discomfort, and in some cases discrimination around patients that are using their prescriptions and following the rules and following the guidance that's being given to them by clinicians.